guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eileen and this is
Para.
And our word for today is mahal
Mahal
kita,
kita.
which means
I love you.
good job! Yay! Say salamat po.
Salamat po.
Say paalam.
Paalam.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye! Kiss. Kiss. Mwah. Okay, good job.
I'm ready.
Hi guys! So for today, hindi ako gagawa ng makeup review, demo, or tutorial, but I just want to share to you guys kung paano yung application na ginawa ko to take my NCLEX exam sa Philippines. So yes, I am considered as a foreign nursing graduate, but it's a case-to-case basis kasi I was a US resident at that time. So advantage yun para sa akin when it comes sa requirements na kailangan ko for the NCLEX exam. So sa lahat ng mga nagko-consider to do or apply for the NCLEX exam on their own, madali lang siya and I will let you know all the steps that you need. So, just keep on watching. So, ayan. Meron akong cheat sheet sa harap ko para wala akong makalimutang sabihin sa inyo sa process na ginawa ko. So, first, this is a very crucial tip kasi you wanna make sure na ang papasukan mong school or university has good accreditations. Mostly big universities in Manila offer, you know, a good nursing program. So, hindi ako nagka-problema sa CGFNS ko when it comes to the credentialing evaluation. Yun yung imamatch nila yung credentials ko dito sa standard ng United States. So, shout out to UERM or University of the East, Ramon Magsaysay. Thank you so much. So, okay, sabihin na natin nag-aral ka ng 4-year nursing, tapos nag-local boards ka. So, after that, ready ka nang mag-NCLEX, mag-process ng NCLEX mo. So, first na gagawin mo, punta ka sa NCSBN, tignan mo kung ano yung requirements ng state na gusto mong pag-examan ng NCLEX or you wanna be registered for your NCLEX examination. So, sa akin, for me, it's Missouri. So, yun yung hindi ko na-check dati na hindi pala kailangan ng local board passer sa Missouri. Pero nakapag-exam na ako noon. So, I was like, okay na yun. It's not gonna hurt kung magiging registered nurse ako sa dalawang country. Okay? So, ang susunod na process, so, punta ka sa State Board of Nursing of your choice. Print out ka nung registration form nila. So, nasa Pilipinas ako nito, di ba? Print out ko yung Missouri Board of Nursing application. I filled it out. Sinend ko dito sa mama ko sa United States kasi wala pa akong pera nun. So, siya yung naglagay ng, I think, $30 for me to get registered sa Missouri Board of Nursing. Okay? Kailangan makaregister ka muna bago ka magmagaling na unahin ang IELTS at CGFNS or verification of license sa PRC. Kasi, pag inuna mo yung mga yon at lumabas yung result mo at hindi ka nakaregister sa State Board of Nursing na gusto mo, nakapending lang yung results mo. So, parang it's up in the air. Kapag tumawag ka sa Board of Nursing, hey, did you get my result on my IELTS or CGFNS? Sabi nila, let me look. So, hindi nila mahahanap. Compared sa nakaregister ka na, papasok na lang doon yung results mo. Okay? Sumunod na ginawa ko is kumuha ako ng form or card sa US Embassy. Yun yung parang gagawa sila ng background check. I think pwede kang mag-request nun dun sa Board of Nursing of your choice. Meron silang sariling vendor. So, pag kinuha mo yung form na yun, i-send mo dun sa sariling vendor nila. Parang NBI, parang ganon. So, ang ginawa ko, pumunta ako, nagmagaling ako. Pumunta ako ng US Embassy and then I think I made an appointment. Tapos, yun, request ka lang nung form. Alam na nila yun, sabihin mo it's for your NCLEX examination. So, after that, since malapit na ako dun sa malaking NBI, I think dun sa US Embassy, pumunta na ako on that day, did my fingerprint, tapos sinend ko ulit yun sa mom ko, tapos siya na yung nag-send dun sa vendor na connected sa Missouri Board of Nursing. Okay? So, after the background check, ayan, CGFNS na. So, punta ka sa website ng CGFNS. And then, sa akin lang kasi is CES, which is Credentialing Evaluation Service. Hindi ko na kailangan yung verification of license kasi nga hindi nga required dito sa Missouri Board of Nursing. So, CES lang yung kailangan ko. And I think that's $200. So, ginawa ko yun online, nasa Pinas ako. And then, I printed out the paper, filled out everything. Tapos may kailangan pang i-notarize dun eh. Okay? So, yung CGFNS paperwork mo, kailangan manggaling sa school, isi-send sa CGFNS. Hindi pwedeng magmagaling ka, besh, na ikaw ang mag-send doon sa CGFNS kasi sasabihin nila it might be altered. Okay? So, ang ginawa ko, pumunta ako sa register ng UERM. Tapos, I don't know, I'm not sure kung 1,200 or 1,500 yung binigay ko sa register. And then sila na nag-send lahat nun sa CGFNS. Sila nang bahala nun, okay? So, pag lumabas yung result nung credentialing evaluation ko, didiretso na siya sa Missouri State Board of Nursing. So, importante talagang mag-register ka muna sa State Board of Nursing of your choice. Okay? So, tapos pag lumabas na yung credentialing evaluation mo, i-print out mo na rin para meron kang copy just for your own records. Okay? And then, pag lumabas na yung lahat ng requirements, napunta na sa Board of Nursing, lahat ng IELTS mo, verification of license mo, CGFNS mo, magkakaroon ka na ng ATT. Hindi siya yung telephone company, but the authorization to test. At ang magre-release sa'yo noon is the Board of Nursing of your choice. Hindi ang CGFNS, hindi ang IELTS, hindi ang PRC. So, yeah, antay-antay lang. Be patient kasi this is a lengthy process. So, pag linabas na yung ATT mo, may validity yon. Ang validity niya is 90 days. So, bahala ka na kung gusto mong unahing mag-review or mag-register to see kung ano yung mga available dates, yung availability ng dates. So, sa akin, ang ginawa ko, nag-review muna ako. I think, for 6 weeks. And, ang review center na pinuntahan ko is called NRS, the Nurse Review Specialist, sa tapat ng PRC, and it is handled by Sir Bien and Miss Drina. Of course, napakagaling nila, and lahat ng queries ko and questions it got clarified. Mas gusto ko kasi yun kasi sanay tayong spoon-fed when it comes to like our school or education na if we have any clarifications or any questions, kailangan natin nasasagot on that, spot right at that moment. Kasi kinonsider ko dati yung Kaplan pero I think it's more on computer, so I was like, So I'm glad I listened to a good friend of mine na pumunta sa NRS. So, yeah guys, NRS, tapat ng PRC. So, let's see what's next. Okay, so yun nga, paglabas ng authorization to test mo, kung gusto mong mag-review, gora ka. So, sa NRS, yung books na ginamit namin is Saunders, nagla-charity din kami, and sa akin, kumuha din ako ng exam cram. Tapos, yung la-charity, it will really help you sa delegation of tasks at saka sa prioritization. Yung exam cram, ginawa ko is I do 100 to 200 questions a day para lang mahasa yung isip ko sa mga questions. And then alright. So okay. So let's say ready ka na after your review, ready ka nang mag-schedule for your exam. You go to Pearson VUE at dun ka mag-register for the examination. Now, for foreign graduates, it's another $150. So, $200 for the exam and another $150. So, it's $350 kasi foreign graduates tayo. So, ang mahal. So, but anyways, ginusto mo yan eh. Gusto mong mag-NCLEX eh. So, push mo lang. So, kasi yung ibang state, like what I said, hindi required sa akin ang verification of license like Illinois kasi hindi nga required. Hindi required sa akin compared sa Illinois or California, I think, or New York. They need verification of license. At saka, yung ibang state din, hindi kailangan na may social security ka. So, alright. On the day of your exam, don't go on the day of your exam. Nakakalito ba? Don't go on the day of your exam without checking out that place of your examination. Okay? Kailangan mag-ocular visit kayo kasi that's what I did and I'm glad I did it. Yung sa Makati yun eh. So, pumunta kami nung ex ko ng gabi doon to see kung nasan yung building para sa umaga. Hindi ako nagmamadali, which I'm glad I did kasi ang hirap hanapin ng building. Parang siyang in between two big buildings. Tapos alam niyo naman na sa Makati po, buildings everywhere. So I was glad na pinuntahan namin. So in the morning, alam ko na kung saan ko pupuntahan yung building. So, you know, be there like 30 minutes before your examination time. Or, yeah, para makapag-relax ka, alam mo yun, makapag-deep breathing ka, para ma-absorb mo lahat ng energy ng kasama mo, parang ganon. So, yeah, don't go to your examination day without doing an ocular visit, okay? Alright, so, dun sa examination place, papakita mo yung ATT mo and I think a certain form of ID, valid ID. Tapos yung gamit mo, lalagay mo sa locker, tapos kukunin mo siya after your exam. So, yung examination consists of, I think, 265. Depende yon. So, mag-shutdown yung computer mo sa 75 if you're doing good or if you're doing not too good. Okay? So, pag 75 nag-shutdown siya, kabahan ka na, besh. Kabahan ka na kung you did good on that exam or, you know, alam nyo na. So, kung nag-76, 77, 78, and so on, kabahan ka na din kasi nagde-decide yung computer kung ipapasa ka ba niya o hindi. Kasi, dun yung time na binabato ka niya dun sa mahina kang part. So, kung mahina ka sa maternal, babatuhin ka niya ng more questions about maternal. So, just kind of watch out for that. So, ang computer ang nagde-decide sa future natin. So, yay! Ayan. So, I think that is, hindi pa pala. So, after nung exam mo, di ba, gusto mong malaman. So, I'm sure you heard about the Pearson view trick. So, ginawa ko yon. Ginawa ko yung Pearson view trick. I can't talk anymore. So, ginawa ko yung trick. Kapag pinag-register ka na ulit, kabahan ka na rin, besh. Pero kapag hindi ka niya pinag-register, sasabihin niya, you still have a ongoing exam or scheduled exam or something, medyo okay yon kasi it means na pasado ka. Pero it's not always right naman, but it's not very accurate, but I think like 98% accurate, pero pwede rin namang magkamali. Like, ganun din naman yung ano, yon. So, ayan. I hope you guys find this video helpful sa mga gustong mag-NCLEX, yung mga nagko-consider na mag-apply na NCLEX. Ganun lang yung process na ginawa ko. So, meron lang additional like the verification of license, local boards kapag required sa state nyo, and I think, ano pa ba? Ayaw sa exam. Hindi ko pala kailangan ng US resident naman na din ako. So, ayun. Alright, so I hope you guys find this video helpful. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And I will see you on my next video. Toodles! Mwah, 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 mwah.